Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select the shape, adjust the shape, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the shape and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the photo, then select another shape, adjust the shape, to back the shape, select the to back option, save the shape, select the save option, adjust the shape confirmation, then select the erase color, enable button down, to back the photo, select the to back option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.